Halina mga bata, tayo nang mag-aral. Sa math walang maiiwan. Matsayang mat-aral, tayo nang matuto upang ika'y umasenso. Maging matyaga, maging matalino, halina't mat-aral na tayo. Maging matyaga, maging matalino, halina't mat-aral na tayo. Halina mat-aral na tayo. Halina, 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 mat-aral na tayo.
Good afternoon, everyone! Halina at mag-aral na tayo. Yun nga po, katatapos lang po ng ating Grade 4 Project SOAR Review. At ngayon naman po ay susunod na natin kaagad-agad ang Project SOAR for Grade 5 Mathematics Week 1 naman. Alright, so bago po tayo magsimula, tuwang-tuwa po kaming lahat dahil po marami pong mga mag-aaral ang patuloy na tumatangkilik sa ating Project SOAR at napakarami pong nagko-comment at nakikisabay sa discussions. So nakakatuwa pong mabasa ang inyong mga comments. Patuloy nyo po itong i-share sa inyong mga kamag-aral, lalong-lalo na po sa inyong mga home learning partners para po tuloy-tuloy po ang ating pagkatuto. Ayun nga po, napaka-special po ulit ng hapong ito dahil po meron po ulit tayong bisita at talaga naman pong patuloy pong sumusuporta ang buong pamilya ng SDO Mandaluyong para sa Project SOAR series of online academic reviews of mathematics grade modules. Ngayong hapon pong ito ay makakasama po natin ang Public Schools District Supervisor in charge of Hulo Integrated School and City of Mandaluyong Science High School. Walang iba kundi si Dr. Darwin Bonifacio. Ayan. Mukhang wala pa po si Sir. Antayin po natin saglit. Pansamantala po ay babatiin natin ang ating mga manonood. Hello from 9 de Febrero Elementary School. Wow, napaka-active ng ating mga batang mandunong. Grabe po. Sobra ang suporta nila sa Project SOAR. From Pedro P. Cruz Elementary School. Another one from 3 Efficient. Ano kayang paaralan nito? Grabe, ang suporta ng ating mga home learning partners at ng mga batang mandunong. Sobra-sobra. Hi po, taga 9 de Febrero Elementary School po ako. Wow, grabe, napaka-active ng mga batang ito. Okay, and hello po. Patuloy po nating i-share. Live po tayo ngayon para naman po sa grade 5 lessons. At makakasama po natin ang isa sa pinakamagagaling na math teachers ng Mandaluyong. Kaya po, asahan nyo po na mamaya po ay talaga pong matututo tayo ng marami para sa ating lessons ngayon. Okay, ayan po. Good afternoon, Ma'am Marites Santos. Tayo na pong matuto. Samahan nyo po ang Math Team Mandaluyong para matuto po tayo ngayong hapon. Another greeting from Doña Pilar C. Gonzaga. Hello po ma'am, good afternoon po. Another one from grade 5 Kisambing. And may isa pa tayo from Ilis. Alright. So, bago po natin marinig ang mensahe ni Dr. Bonifacio, tatawagin ko po muna ang ating speaker for this afternoon kasi alam ko excited na po tayong lahat. So, uunahin po muna natin ang review natin and then later on, kapag may nandyan na po si Sir, pwede na po siyang pasalamatan natin mamaya. Okay, so wag na po nating patagalin. I-introduce ko na po ang magiging speaker natin ngayong tanghali para sa grade 5 Project SOAR. So, siya po ay master teacher ng Hulo Integrated School. At siya rin po ay isa sa recipient ng MTOP Exemplary Teacher, pangalawa po sa SDO Mandaluyong. Di ba? Napabigatin ng ating mga speakers, sa mga reviewers. So, matututo tayo talaga. Walang iba po, kundi si Ma'am Janet ng Hulo Integrated School. Good afternoon po, Ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Bumati naman po kayo, Ma'am, sa ating mga audience.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Una-una po, nais ko pong batiin ang ating OIC SDS, si Dr. Romela M. Cruz, ang ating pong OIC SDF, ASDS, si Dr. Aurelio G. Alfonso. And then, CID Chief, si Ma'am Aline Mendoza po. Ang ating po SGOD Chief, si Ma'am Emma Arubio. Of course, ang aming po PSDS in charge sa school, si Dr. Darwin Bonifacio. Ang ating pong EPS na very supportive at saka po ipupush ka talaga para ma-share mo yung kaalaman para sa mga batang manggulong, Sir Resti Rodelas. Sa amin pong pinakamamahal na principal, si Ma'am Yanila Q. Masangkay. Magandang hapon po, Ma'am. Sa aming pong mga ASTPs sa school, kay Ma'am Escultura at kay Sir Fabriag po. Sa mga kapwa ko po math teachers, sa mga teachers po dito sa buong Mandaluyong na nagtuturo ng math, lalo na po sa grade 5, sa mga kapwa ko guro sa aking paaralan, lalo-lalo na po ang aking department sa grade 5 at saka math department sa Hulo. Magandang hapon po. Magandang hapon din sa mga home learning partners natin at saka sa ating mga dear learners.
Ayan po, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Janet. Babalikan ko po kayo mamaya para sa inyong review dahil nandito na po ang ating PSDS at ang ating bisita. So tatawagin ko pong muli ang PSDS na in charge sa Hulo Integrated School. Walang iba kundi si Dr. Darwin S. Bonifacio. Good afternoon po, sir. Mukhang nahihirapan pong makapasok si sir. Okay, habang inaantay po natin, ay magbabasa muna ako ng ating mga greetings pansamantala. Ayan, grade 5 Adidas. Mary Chris Kalubay. Wow, napaka-supportive talaga ng mga parents natin. Talagang sinasabay nila mga anak nila sa panonood ng Project SOAR. Grabe po. Salamat po. Okay, wag na po natin patagalin. Unahin na po natin ang review session para sa grade 5. Happy watching po, everyone.
A pleasant afternoon, dear parents, learners, and fellow teachers. Welcome to our Project SOAR, series of online academic review of mathematics grade learning modules. I am Teacher Janet, a teacher from Hulo Integrated School, and I will be your reviewer for the week 1 of grade 5 mathematics. Today, we are going to review about the topic that we had from week 1. Week 1 has the following competencies. Uses divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10 to find common factors of numbers. And uses divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9 to find common factors of numbers. Here are the facts that we use for week 1's topic. Divisible. A number is divisible by another number if the remainder from the division process is 0. Divisible by. It means that when you divide one number by another, the result is a whole number. Factor. A factor divides a number completely without leaving any remainder. Factors also are the numbers that you multiply, and multiples are products of a number. We can also say that factors are the divisor and the quotient in a division sentence, since division is an operation inverse of multiplication. 1 is a universal factor because all whole numbers, has a factor of 1. All whole numbers has a factor of 1 and itself. Numbers that has only two factors, 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. But there are numbers whose factors are more than 2. Not only 1 and their self, but there are still numbers or factors they have. Common factor. A common factor is a number that can be divided into two different numbers without leaving a remainder. Often, numbers can share more than one common factor. So there are numbers na hindi lang po isa ang common factor. Minsan dalawa or higit pa. Now, let us review the divisibility rules for 2, 5, 3, 6, 9, and 10. Let us recall first the divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. They are grouped because they all require checking the ones digit of the whole number. So, magkakasama po yan kasi chine-check kung yan ba ay divisible sa pamamagitan lang ng pagtingin ng kanilang ones. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So kapag ang ones ay 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, then yung number na yun ay divisible by 2. Example, 50. Ang ones po ay 0. 72, ang ones ay 2. 324, ang ones ay 4. 1,346, 2,008. Next, a number is divisible by 5 if its ones digit is 0 or 5. So, malalaman natin kung ang number ay pwedeng i-divide sa 5 pag nakita natin na ang ones niya ay 0 or 5. Kapag ang ones niya ay 0 or 5, ibig sabihin ang number na yon ay pwedeng i-divide sa 5. Example, 55. Ang 55 ay pwedeng i-divide sa 5 ng eksakto. Walang remainder. 320. Natatapos siya or ang ones niya ay 0. 2010. Next, a number is divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. Kapag ang ones digit niya ay 0, automatic, yung number na yon ay divisible by 10. Examples are 20, 480, and 9,810. Tapos na tayo sa divisibility rules ng 2, 5, and 10. Let's move naman dun sa divisibility rules ng natitirang tatlo. Now, let us recall the divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9. Paano natin malalaman kung ang number ay divisible by 3? Sabi, these three numbers are grouped because they require computing the sum of the digits. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all digits is divisible by 3 or a multiple of 3. Divisible by 3 daw po yan Kapag in-add nyo yung mga digits niya at ang nakuha nyong sum ay pwedeng i-divide sa 3, then yung number na yon ay divisible by 3. O kaya naman, kapag ang nakuha nyong sum ay multiples of 3, then yung number na yon ay pwedeng i-divide sa 3. Ano po ba yung mga multiples ng 3? Ito po yung mga skip counts ng 3. 3, 6, 9, and so on. Example, 18. Ang digits ng 18 ay 1 at 8. When we add 1 plus 8, we will get a sum of 9. Sabi niya dun sa rule, kapag in-add daw yung mga digits niya at ang nakuha mo number ay pwedeng divide sa 3 or multiple ng 3, yung number daw na yon ay multiple or divisible by 3. So, 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 is a multiple of 3. And if we divide 9 by 3, we will get an exact answer of 3. So it means 18 is divisible by 3. Another example, 546. The digits are 5, 4, and 6. If we add 5 plus 4 plus 6, we will get a sum of 15. And 15 is a multiple of 3. And if we divide 15 by 3, we will get an answer of 5. Then, 146 is divisible by 3. Next. Paano naman natin malalaman kung ang number ay pwedeng divide sa 6? A number is divisible by 6 if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Ano ba yung palatandaan natin kung ang number ba ay divisible by 2? Kapag ito ay may ones na even. Paano naman sa 3? Katatapos lang natin sa 3. Kapag daw ang sum ng digits niya ay multiples of 3 or divisible by 3. Sample, 24. Its ones digit is 4. So, it is divisible by 2. So, 4 ang nasa ones. Kaya ito ay divisible by 2. Divisible ba yan by 3? It is also divisible by 3 because the sum of its digit 2 and 4 is 6. And 6 divided by 3 gives an exact quotient of 2. So, 24 is divisible by 6. Another example, 522. The digits are 5, 2, and 2. Its ones digit is 2. So, it is divisible by 2. Kasi ang ones niya ay 2. Dahil sabi sa rule ng divisible by 2, dapat daw or kapag daw ang ones ay 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, ang number na yun daw ay divisible by 2. So, dahil ang ones niya ay 2, divisible by 2 siya. Divisible by 3 ba yan? It is also divisible by 3 because the sum of the digits 5, 2, and 2 is 9. Kapag in-add sila, 5 plus 2 plus 2, ang lalabas na sagot ay 9. 9 ay multiple na ng 3. And kapag dinivide naman natin ng 9 by 3, it gives us an exact quotient of 3. Therefore, 522 is also divisible by 3. How about 9? Ano ang rule para sa 9? A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of all digits is divisible by 9 or a multiple of 9. yung process niya parang sa 3 din. I-add daw natin ang mga digits niya. Kapag daw ang lumabas na sagot ay pwedeng i-divide sa 9, then yung number na yon ay divisible by 9. Or naman, kung ang lalabas na sagot daw ay multiples of 9, then yung number daw na yon ay divisible by 9. Example, 72. Ang digits ng 72 ay 7 at 2. So, 7 plus 2 equals 9. Ang 9 ay multiple na ng 9. At kapag dinivide natin to, 9 divided by 9, ang lalabas na sagot is 1. Walang remainder. Therefore, 72 is divisible by 9. Next example, 648. 648 ang kanyang digits. Kapag inad natin ang 6 plus 4 plus 8, we will get a sum of 18. 18 is a multiple of 9. And if we divide 18 by 9, we will get an exact answer or exact quotient of 2. So, tapos na tayo sa divisibility rules. How are we going to find naman common factors using divisibility rules for 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, and 10? Paano daw tayo maghanap ng common factors sa gamit lang o sa paggamit lang ng mga divisibility rules ng 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, and 10? Example tayo. Let us find the common factors of 15 and 20. Ano kaya ang common factors ng 15 at 20? Let us start first finding the factors of 15 by using the divisibility rule to find the factors of 15. 15 is divisible by 5. Kasi ang ones niya ay 5. Kaya alam natin kagad na ang 15 ay pwedeng i-divide sa 5. So, 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Diba ang sabi natin about sa factors? Ang number na pwedeng i-divide ng eksakto na walang natitirang remainder mula sa isang number, then yun daw ay factor. At kanina rin, sinabi natin that division is an inverse operation of multiplication. So kapag ito, minultiply natin ang 5 times 3, ang lalabas na sagot ay 15. So ibig sabihin, 5 and 3 ay factors ng 15. Kasi, sabi natin kanina, we can say that factors are the divisor and the quotient of in a division sentence. Next. Bukod ba sa 5, saan pa ba divisible ang 15? Divisible din siya sa 3. Nandun na yung 3. So, hindi na natin kukunin yung divisibility rule ng 3. So, ibig sabihin, aside from 1 and 15, no, sabi natin kanina, all numbers have a factors of 1 and itself. So, dito nga, ang number natin ay 15. So, ang factor niya muna ay 1 and 15. And then, by using divisibility rule, nakuha natin yung two pairs or a pair of factors pa na 5 and 3. So, aside from 1 and 15, 3 and 5 are also factors of 15. Diba? Kanina, sa una, sabi natin, all numbers has a factor of 1 and itself. Kaya meron niyang factors na 1 at 15. bukod dun sa ating nakuha na 5 and 3. So, all in all, factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. So, tapos na natin kuhanin ang factors ng 15. Mag-move tayo sa step 2. Use divisibility rule to find the common factors of 20. Anong divisibility rule naman kaya ang pwede natin gamitin? Kung mapapansin, ang 20 ay natatapos sa 0. Therefore, 20 is divisible by 2, 5, and 10 because its ones is 0. So, 20 divided by 2 equals 10. So, ibig sabihin, 2 and 10 are factors of 20. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So, 5 and 4 are factors of 20. If we divide 20 still by 10, we will get 2. So, we will get the same factors, 10 and 2. Thus, aside from 1 and 20, 2, 4, 5, and 10 are also factors of 20. All in all, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20. So, ayun ang mga factors ng 20. Nakuha na natin ang factors ng 15 at saka ng 20. Step 3 na tayo. Step 3, list all the factors of 15 and 20. Sa 15, we got these factors. 1, 3, 5, and 15. And sa 20, we got these factors. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Anong meron silang number na pareho? They both have 1 kasi 1 is a universal factor. Natural lang na meron silang parehong common factor na 1. Bukod sa 1, ano pang nakikita ninyong meron silang pareho? Yes, pareho silang merong 5. Common factors of 15 and 20 are 1 and 5. Let's have another example. Find the common factors of 27 and 36. So, kagaya kanina, we will answer this by using a step-by-step procedure. So, first, use divisibility rules to find the factors of 27. 27 is divisible by 3 because the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Ano ba yung mga digits niya? 2 and 7. 2 plus 7 equals 9. So, 9 is a multiple of 3. Kaya divisible by 3 ang 27. So, 27 divided by 3 equals 9. So, 3 and 9 are factors of 27. Ano pa ang pwedeng i-divide sa 27 bukod sa 3 and 9? Meron pa ba? Wala na. On the other hand, 27 is also divisible by 9 because the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Okay. So, aside from 1 and 27, 3 and 9 are also factors of 27. All in all, the factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9, and 27. So, nakuha na natin ang factors ng 27. Let's move to the rule to find the factors of 36. 36 is divisible by 2 because its ones is 6. So, 36 divided by 2 equals 18. When we multiply 2 times 18, makukuha natin ay 36. So, 2 and 18 are factors of 36. 36 is also divisible by 3 because the sum of its digit is divisible by 3 or a multiple of 3. Kasi 3 plus 6 equals 9. So, yung sum niya na 9 ay multiples of 3. So, pag dinivide natin ang 36 by 3, we will get 12. 12 times 3 or 3 times 12 equals 36. So, 3 and 12 are also factors of 36. 36 is also divisible by 6 because it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So kapag dinivide natin ang 36 by 6, we will get the same number, 6. Pag minultiply natin, 6 times 6 equals 36. Pero dahil isang number lang ang 6, no? At ang quotient niya, ang divisor at ang quotient niya, isa lang ang lalagay natin na factor doon, yung 6 lang. Next, 36 is also divisible by 9. Bakit? Kasi ang sum niya is 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. So therefore, it is also divisible by 9. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. Ibig sabihin, 9 times 4 then equals 36. Pag mag-check tayo kung tama yung sagot, so 9 and 4 now are also factors of 36. So, aside from 1 and 36, ito pa ang mga nakuha nating factors ng 36. Yung mga naka-yellow sa mga fonts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 12, and 18 are also factors of 36. All in all, the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Step 3, list all the factors of 27 and 36. 27 has the factors of 1, 3, 9, and 27, while 36 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 18, 36. What do they have in common? Of course, 1. Aside from 1, they both have 3 and 9. So the factors, common factors of 27 and 36 are 1, 3, and 9. Let's now have another example. But this time, we will find the common factors of 3 numbers. Find the common factors of 30, 45, and 50. As usual, we will follow a step-by-step procedure. Kaya, hanapin muna natin ang factors ng 30. So, step 1, use divisibility rule to find the factors of 30. If you have noticed, 30 has 0 in its ones digit. So, 30 is divisible by 2, 5, and 10 because of the ones digit is 0. 30 divided by 2 equals 15. And 15 times 2 equals 30. So, 2 and 15 are the factors of 30. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 5 times 6 equals 30. So, 5 and 6 are also factors of 30. 30 divided by 10 equals 3. 10 times 3 equals 30. So, 10 and 3 are also factors of 30. On the other hand, 30 is also divisible by 6 because it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Kapag ang 30 dinivide natin sa 6, ang lalabas na sagot ay 5. So, same sila ng factors kung nung dinivide natin ang 30 sa
5. Same na factors ang lalabas, 5 and 6. So, aside from 1 and 30, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, and 15 are also factors of 30. All in all, the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. Let's move now to the next step. Hanapin natin ang factors ng 45. Use divisibility rule to find the factors of 45. 45 is divisible by 5 because its ones is 5. 45 divided by 5 equals 9. 5 times 9 equals 45. So 5 and 9 are factors of 45. Since 9 is a factor of 45, then it is also divisible by 9. 45 is divisible by 3 because the sum of its digit is divisible by 3 or a multiple of 3. 45 divided by 3 equals 15. 3 times 15 equals 45. So 3 and 15 are also factors of 45. Thus, aside from 1 and 45, 3, 5, 9, and 15 are also factors of 45. All in all, the factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. Step 3. We will find the factors of 54. Use divisibility rules to find the factors of 54. 54 is divisible by 2 because its ones is 4. 54 divided by 2 equals 27. 2 times 27 equals 54. So, 2 and 27 are factors of 54. 54 is also divisible by 3 because the sum of its digit is divisible by 3 or a multiple of 3. 54 divided by 3 equals 18. And 3 times 18 equals 54. So, 3 and 18 are also factors of 54. Since 54 is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is also divisible by 6. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. 6 times 9 equals 54. So 6 and 9 are also factors of 54. Since 9 is a factor of 54, then it is also divisible by 9. So aside from 1 and 54, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, and 27 are also factors of 45. All in all, the factors of 54 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, and 54. Step 4. List all the factors of 30, 45, and 54. For 30, the factors that we got are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. For 45, we got 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. And for 54, we got 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, and 54. What do they have in common? 1, 3, only 1 and 3. The common factors of 30, 45, and 54 are 1 and 20 only. That's all. I hope you have learned from the topics that we have reviewed. Bye-bye and God bless.
Thank you for listening. If you have questions, feel free to send message on our official Facebook page, Math Team, Mathematics Teachers of Mandaluyong, or send a message to your math teachers. I am Teacher Janet once again saying, matsayang mag-aral, tayo nang matuto.
Thank you very much po, Ma'am Janet, for that very comprehensive review of grade 5. So, bago po tayo magtapos ngayong hapon, kanina po ay nabanggit ko na may bisita po tayo. At narito na nga po ang Public Schools District Supervisor in charge of Hulo Integrated School. Walang iba kundi si Dr. Darwin Bonifacio. Good afternoon po, sir. Good afternoon po, Dr. Darwin. Ayan, tatawagin ko na rin po muna si Ma'am Janet para sa kanyang mga payo sa ating mga parents at home learning partners. Hello po, Ma'am Janet. Yes, ma'am, pa-on po ng inyong microphone.
Good afternoon po ulit.
Yes, ma'am. May
Yes, sir.
papayo po ba tayo sa ating mga home learning partners?
Ayun. So, maraming salamat po sa pakikinig ng ating review lesson. Sana po mapagtyagaan pa po natin ang paggabay sa ating mga mag-aaral sa inyong pong mga anak. Dahil po ngayong panahon ng new normal o ng pandemya ngayon, hindi po tayo pwede makapagturo ng harap-harapan. Kaya po, sana po suportahan niyo kami sa mga bagay na kaya naming ibigay sa inyong mga anak sa iba't ibang paraan po ng pagtuturo. Pero kailangan po talaga namin ng suporta ninyo ngayon, kaya po sa mga ganitong proyekto, sana po makiisa po kayo. Maraming salamat ulit.
Thank you very much po, Ma'am Janet, and congratulations po. Alright, so isa na namang makabuluhang review ang ating napanood at yun nga po ang week 1 ng Project SOAR for grade 5. Sana po ay may natutunan ang ating mga batang mandunong at sana po ay tumutok pa rin po tayo dahil sa ilang sandali lamang po ay magsisimula naman po ang para sa grade 6 Project SOAR. So see you po later at exactly 3 p.m. Good afternoon, everyone.